Hello, let's see how a new realized feature restriction of user access to editing selected posts and pages works. At my test site I have some published posts and some published pages. In the users list I have two users with editor role. Let's imagine that we wish to restrict first editor access to a couple of posts and some selected pages only. By default, this editor user sees all the pages and all the posts and may edit any from them, as he may create new posts also. Let's see how restrict him. Switch back to admin user. Go to the settings page of the user role editor. You will find here two new options: activate create post page capability and activate user access management to editing selected posts and pages. First option is responsible for the editing to the any role new WordPress core capability with name create posts and other capability create pages. When you activate this capability, remember that you should go to the user role editor and turn on these new capabilities, create pages and create posts, at least for the administrator role. Without this capability, even administrator could not create new posts and pages. Let's see. I removed these new capabilities from the editor role. Let's go to the user with editor role. There is no add new button at the pages list, and there is no add new button at the post list. When and after you turn on these two capabilities for the editor role, your editor receives this function and new page back. Useful option, isn't it? But let's return to the main purpose of this lesson. How to restrict user access to the editing just selected posts and pages. For that, you need to activate the second new option. Activate user access management to edit and selected posts and pages. After activating these options, go to the user profile you wish to restrict. And find there a new section, Posts, Pages, Editor Restrictions. Input here the list of posts and pages IDs and update user profile to save your changes. After you input the posts and pages IDs into this field, user with such restrictions can edit just these posts and pages. Let's see. User 1. Posts. Only 2 posts. Posts with ID 17 and post with ID 14. Where can you take the ID? Open the post for editing and look to its URL. The post ID is located here. So you see that user don't have access to other posts except you allowed him to access. The same is valid for pages. Only 3 pages are available for this user. What will be happened if user insert some page ID manually or post ID? You see, such user will get this message: you are not allowed to edit this item. That's all.